What's up, beautiful people? It's the Hippie Krissy. I'm coming back with another video. Yes, and I'm giving you blue vibes. Subscribe to my channel. It's free 99 and hit that notification so you know when I post videos. Stay tuned.
Seems like yesterday you came round my way. Vibrations intense, I don't know what to say. Okay, universe ain't playing no games. Chemistry day.
So yes, to get started, we starting off with the eyes, honey. Now, I am just putting a color in the lid. I'm using this blue shade from a palette that I got from my mom. I think she said her friend got it from Thailand, one of her friends that she works with. So yeah, I'm trying out that palette and not too bad. So I'm just using it in the crease for my inner, and then I'm taking a makeup wipe and I am taking that color off to cut that crease. So that's what you see me doing. I'm taking this blue shade and now I'm using like a jumbo pencil. I had these jumbo pencils from LA Colors and I'm just using it all over my lid, and that is what I'm using as a base. So then I'm going into my BH Cosmetic 120 palette, and then I'm using a baby blue color to pat, okay? Get into the look. Look at it right now.
Plus all the links them big. Anyway we got the shit turn up. You're full of beer talk but you not run up. And if your dog talk shit in burn up. Murder, ball up when the sun up.
Why they mad cause we winning? All this money we be spending. We be dripping on they women. This is all a nigga know. This is all a nigga know. Pull up, I'm that nigga. Rolly trip like river. Call me Trap Kelly with sauce.
Now I have some, I guess it's makeup paint that I got from Michaels, and I'm using that to line. I just came up with an idea as I was doing this look to line the cut crease, and then I am setting it with a shade from the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place. It's like a shimmer blue shade, and I thought that was really cute, so that's what I'm doing. I am just experimenting and it came out good. So yeah, I hope you like it too, because I love it a lot. Get into it. And I'm also doing the same thing with the other eye as well. I'm using the paint again, and then I am setting it with the shade from the Juvia's Place palette. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this look. It was a little challenging for me because I'm not so good at cut crease, but I made it do what it do, because that's what I do when Hippie come through, okay? Bars.
Consequence music.
So on to the face. I am using Fenty Beauty and my shade is in 410. And before I put the foundation, I am going to prime my face with my Maybelline primer. And then I am going to take my Wet n Wild banana powder to put a powder down first on top of the primer and then the foundation. I've been doing that lately. I got it from TikTok when I was on it. I'm not on it anymore. And then now I'm just patting on the foundation with my Real Techniques brush, and I'm doing that all over my face. Now I'm just sculpting out my contour with this shade that you see is being eaten out because I use it a lot. And I'm getting them jaw lines, honey. Jaws. You got to bring that color back. Bring that color back. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I am going to set my face with my NYX bronze powder. Oh, first I'm going to conceal. And then once I conceal, I'm going to set the whole of my face. And then it's on to the lips, honey. Lip action. Mwah.
Flashy with the diamond ring. Everybody know me a king. Plus all the links them big. Anyway we got the shit turn up. You're full of beer talk but you not run up. And if your dog talk shit in burn up. Murder, ball up when the sun up.
Why they mad cause we winning. All this money we be spending.
So I'm blending. Remember, blending is your BFF. Like, we gotta blend it out. We can't be looking crazy out here in these streets. Okay, honey? So yeah, we get into the final touches of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. This was so fun for me to do. Always remember to stay positive, people. Keep positive vibrations always. And until the next video, XOXO. Love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
With the same thing twice. Whoa, my fuck up a check tonight. Whoa, my diamonds they bite like Mike. Every time I pull up, hoes gotta get hype. Bad bitches only face gotta look right. You fucking with me, you could get it on.